Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign out of the Zangi Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Zangi Messenger on your phone. What you need to do next is click on Settings on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Then click on your profile. After you click on your profile, you will be headed to this page where you can see Sign Out option available. So if you click on sign out, you will be successfully signed out of the Zangi Messenger app. Let me show this once again. Open the Zangi Messenger app. The first homepage will be the Messages app. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and click on settings, which you see on the bottom right hand corner, the gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. Then click on your profile and you can see sign out. If you really want to sign out and do remember your account credentials, just go ahead and click on sign out. And you can see the keep history and delete history option. So this is for the message and call history. If you want to keep it, just go ahead and click on keep history, or else you can delete the history as well. So after you choose one of these, you can now see that you are successfully signed out of the Zangi Messenger app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.